Now let us move forward for our next question. Now see here, sir. This again is a very good question. Now see this question. Your question is, in the triangle ABC, the lengths of the sides AB and AC equals 17.5 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. That means there is a triangle which is given here ABC. AB is given as 9 centimeter, AB is given as 17.5 centimeter, and AC is given as 9 centimeter. Let me draw the triangle once again for your better understanding. This is the triangle which is given. So this is the triangle A, B and C. The side opposite to angle A, it is represented as a small letter A. Side opposite to angle B is represented as small letter B, and side opposite to angle C is given in this or represented as small letter C. It is given that AB is equal to 17.5. AB is nothing but small letter C, that is 17.5 centimeter, and AC, which is small letter B, it is given in the question as 9 centimeters. Now read the next statement. Let D be a point on the line segment BC. They are saying that there is a point called as D. On this line BC there is a point called as D such that AD is perpendicular to BC. That point is in such a way that this AD is perpendicular to BC. That means I can definitely say that because it is perpendicular, this will be 90 degrees. This also will be 90 degrees. Next, if AD is equal to 3 centimeters, that perpendicular line, whatever it is given or drawn, it is given as 3 centimeters. What is the radius of the circle circumscribing the triangle ABC? That means what is the radius of the circle? I am actually finding the radius of the circle circumscribing the triangle ABC. Now see here, that means there is a circle which is crossing all the 3 points, right? There is a circle which is crossing all the 3 points. This is nothing but the circumcircle, right? This is nothing but the circumcircle. Now this is circumcircle and this will be the circumradius, right? This will be the circumradius. So basically in this question they are asking you the circumradius, right? They are asking you the circumradius. But what is the only thing which I can say from here is they did not say anywhere that D is the center of the circle, right? What is the radius of the circle circumscribing the triangle ABC is what is given. Now see here, that means in simple language they are asking you what is circumradius. Circumradius, as which we have discussed in our geometry class in detail. I have in fact Anil sir has explained what is the meaning of circumcircle, circumradius, everything in detail. It is explained in geometry class. Circumradius is usually denoted by the symbol capital R. Now whenever circumradius is coming into picture, area of triangle is given by the notation. This is another notation for the area of triangle, ABC divided by 4R, where A, B and C are nothing but 3 sides of a triangle. But area of triangle is also known to us as half into base into height. That means I can say that half into base into height is nothing but ABC divided by 4R. Now if I simplify further, this is half into, what is the base of this triangle? Base of this triangle is side A, right? It is nothing but A. Height, what is the height of this triangle? Height of this triangle is nothing but AD. AD is nothing but 3 centimeters given in the question. I don't know A value. What is this B? B value is given in the question as 9. C value is given in the question as 17.5 divided by 4 times of R. This if I further simplify, 3 times of 3 is 9, 2 times of 2 is 4. So I am left with, in fact A also cancels. So what I am left with is R. If I shift it to the right left hand side, R is equal to 3 into 17.5, which is 52.5 divided by 2. What is half of 52.5? Half of 52.5 is 26.25 centimeters. That means radius of the circle circumscribing the triangle ABC is nothing but 26.25 centimeters. Or in simple language, I can say that circumradius is nothing but 26.25 0.25 centimeters. Both are absolutely same. And if you observe the behavior of this question or the nature of this question, this is a question which is original CAT examination question. One of the toughest examination to attempt is CAT exam. This question has come in the year 1993. Yes, it is way long before, but still I can say that you are able to solve a CAT examination questions in the most easiest way possible, and that is how you need to actually practice. I hope the idea is clear for this question, sir. Next question. Please see the next question. Your next question is, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are a plus 1 comma a and a plus 2 comma a. And if you observe here, this is your CAT 2002 question. Again, it is a original question which had come in the CAT examination in the year 2002. Now see here, sir. First of all, the coordinates of 3 points are given in this question. So what I will do is, because it is a question based on coordinate, I will draw the coordinate axis. If I draw the coordinate axis, first point is a comma a, second point is a plus 1 comma a, third point is a plus 2 comma a. Now I don't know what is a value. A value can be anything, but to simplify my problem, what I will do is, I will put a value 0. Sir, should we put a value 0 itself? Can we put some other value? I will put a value minus 3. Do I get a different area for the triangle, sir? Definitely no. Some other student will put a value 5. Will I get a different area for the triangle? Definitely no. Why? Because if I shift a geometrical figure from one place to the other place, the geometrical figure will have the same area. In simple language, you are going from one place to another place. You are sitting in one room. You will go to another room. Will your weight change? No, it will not change. Will your height change? No, it will not change. That means the area and volume of any geometrical figure will remain the same. If you rotate, if you shift, it will not change the area. That is what you need to understand. That means if I put a value 0, why 0? Because 0 is an easy number. You take any other number whichever you want. This becomes 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 is nothing but my origin. I will name it as point A. Second point become a plus 1 comma 0, which is 1 plus 0, 1 comma 0. So 1 comma 0 is this point. Sorry, 1 comma 1, right? This is a plus 1 comma a. So this will become, what is a value, sir? A value is 0 only, correct? So this is 1 comma 0 itself. That means 1 comma 0 is my second point. If the second point is 1 comma 0, where should that point lie actually? That means x-axis is 1 unit, y-axis is 0 units. That means this is the point 1 comma 0, right? This is the point 1 comma 0. I hope you are understanding. This is the point called as 1 comma 0. And the third point is, what is the third point? A plus 2 comma a. A value is 0. So this is a plus 2 comma a. It is 2 comma 0. That means this is the point. Will there be any area, sir? First of all, is the triangle formed in this case? Triangle is not formed in this case. I think there is a small mistake in this question. Please let us not worry about this question which is given here, because there is some small mistake which we will understand and solve it. I think the person probably who has typed it might have typed it incorrect. Let me change this question and give this question once again, sir. Just give me a minute. Hello. ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬೇಡ. Now let us see our next question. See this question, sir. Very, very beautiful question. What is that we are solving in this question? Let us understand once we read the question. Your question is, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are a comma a plus 1 comma a plus 1, a plus 2 comma a. This is your original CAT 2002 question. Now see here, I am actually interested in finding the area of the triangle whose vertices are given in terms of 3 points. Now because the vertices are given in terms of coordinates, let me draw the coordinate axis. What are the 3 points which are given? 3 points which are given are a plus 1 comma a plus 1 and a plus 2 comma a, right? These are the 3 points which are given. Now what I will do is, I don't know the value of a in this question. For our simple understanding and simple way of solving, a can take any value of your choice, but the easiest value what I can give it for a is, I will put a value 0. Sir, why are you taking 0? Is there any rule that you should put a value 0 itself? Definitely there is no rule. You take any value for a, you will ultimately get the same answer at the end for the area of the triangle. Sir, I will take the a value as minus 3. If I take minus 3 and solve, will I get a different area? Definitely no. Some other student will take a value 5. If other student take a value 5 and solve it, will he get a different value? Definitely area of triangle will not change. In simple language, area of triangle will be constant irrespective of whatever a value which you take. That means in this question, area of triangle is independent of that a value. Or in simple language, can I say that you are sitting in one room, sir. You are sitting in room 1, for example. When you go to room 2, will your weight change? No, it will not change. Will your height change? No, it will not change. By shifting the position of a person from one place to another place, the volume of the person, or in other words, the weight and height of the person will not change. Same is the case with geometrical figure. By shifting, by rotating any geometrical figure, the area or the volume of that geometrical figure will not change. It will remain constant. So it is definitely irrespective of whichever value of a you take, it will be very, very easy to solve. The same value will come. Why a0? Easiest value. 0 comma 0, it will become a plus 1 comma a plus 1 will be 0 plus 1 comma 0 plus 1, a plus 2 comma a is, it is 2 comma 0. That means 0 comma 0 is my first point. I will call it as point A. 1 comma 1 is my second point. 1 comma 1, this is my second point. I will call it as point B. And then 2 comma 0 is my third point. I will call it as point C, right? I will call it as point C. Now if I join these 3 points, whatever I am going to get is nothing but a triangle, right? Whatever I am getting when I join these 3 points is nothing but a triangle. Your question is, find the area of the triangle. Now can I say that from this origin till this point C, you have traveled a distance of 2 units, because x coordinate value here is 2. Similarly, from this point A till point B, you have traveled a distance of 1 unit along the y-axis, or in other words, the height of this triangle is how much? It is 1 unit. I hope you are able to understand. Height of this triangle is 1 unit. They are actually asking you to find the area of the triangle. Area of the entire triangle is half into base into height. Base is 2, height is 1. 2 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 square units. Very, very easy way of solving, sir. Don't complicate yourself by taking a plus 1, a plus 1, a comma a, a plus 2 comma a, and complicate the things. Put some value whichever you like for a. I think that the most easiest value to put for a is 0, because you will get one of them as origin 0 comma 0. Other 2 points are also very easy, which is 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. And then from there you can find out what is the base value. You can easily find out the height of this triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height. 2 into 1 divided by 2, it's nothing but 1 square units. I hope the idea is very, very clear. This question looks very easy, but see, please observe which examination it was asked. It was asked in CAT examination. Yes, it might be 17 years old question, but you can solve a CAT question by using this beautiful logic. So please appreciate and try to solve by using these logics from now onwards. I hope the idea is very, very clear for you. Next question. See this question, sir. Very, very good question. Very, very good question, and you can observe here also. It is your original SSC CGL Tier 2 question, which was asked in the year 2018. It's a last year original SSC CGL Tier 2 question. Let us solve this question. Let us understand and solve it. But you can solve it very easily if you know the concept. First, let us see the question. Your question is, in the given figure, ABCD and BEFG are squares of sides 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. ABCD is a square. ABCD, it is a square of side 8 cm. That means this is 8. This entire thing is 8. Similarly, AD entirely is 8 and BC entirely is also 8. That is the first statement. BEFG, this also is a square and it is of side 6 cm. So this GF is 6, FE is 6, EB is 6 and BG is also 6. That means, can I say that in simple understanding I can say that this entire A to B is 8, E to B is 6. So A to E is another 2 units. Similarly, entire B to C is 8. B to G is 6. So C to G is another 2 units. I hope till here it should be very, very clear for you. Your question is, what is the area of the shaded region in square centimeters? This shaded region, the black color one, that area of that black color region is what we are interested in finding. Find the area is the question. Now see here, sir. It is very, very clear. ABCD is a square. So this angle A is 90 degrees, angle B is 90, angle C is 90, angle D is also 90. Similarly, BGFE is also square, angle E is 90, angle F is 90, angle G is also 90. I hope till here it is very clear for you people. Now, can I say like this? Think logically. Can I say like this? How will I get the area of that shaded part? This shaded part, green color shaded part area, if I want, which I marked in green right now. Earlier it was in black. If I want that area of that shaded part from the entire outer square ABCD, from that outer square ABCD, I will remove this triangle, right angle triangle ADE. I will cut it off. I will take a scissor and I will cut this triangle ADE. I will cut this triangle DCG. I will cut this square BEFG. And if I cut this part and this right angle triangle and this inner square, I am left with only the shaded portion which is in green color right now, which is nothing but DEFG. That is what they are asking you in the question. That means, in simple language, from the entire square, from the entire outer square, what is the area of that outer square ABCD? It is 8 into 8. It is 64. From this outer square, simply what you need to do is remove this area. What is the area of this triangle? It is half into base is 2, height is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So half into 16 is Total area of this square is 8. I will remove it. What is the area of this upper triangle, which I have marked it right now? That also is the same thing. 8 into 2 is 16. What is half of 16? That also is 8. Remove another 8 and then the area of this inner square BGFE. It is nothing but 6 into 6. It is 36. So remove 8 plus 8 plus 36, or in other language remove 52 from 64. 64 minus 52 square centimeters, or in other words it is 12 square centimeters. With the diagram itself you can solve it, sir, and I am not joking. You can definitely cross check this question. It is a question which can be solved in 5 seconds, and you can see which year it was asked. It was asked in the year 2018, and now we are in 2019. Last year March Tier 2 SSC CGL question. This question has come, and it is a very easy question. Yes, there are so many people who say that mensuration is very difficult in SSC papers, but I say that mensuration is very easy for SSC, and I make sure that my students also will say in future after solving all the varieties of questions whatever I take in ANC YouTube channel, that students will also say that SSC is very easy with respect to mensuration topic. I hope the idea is very clear for you till here, sir. Next question. See here, sir, it's a very beautiful question once again. Let us understand the question. In the given figure, BE is equal to EA. Let us mark it right now itself. BE is equal to EA. That means BE and EA both are same. Maybe diagram is not looking like that, where BE and EA are same. Diagram is not drawn to the scale, but please consider that E is the midpoint of AB, right? That is nothing but BE is equal to EA. Next, EG is equal to GD. What is the meaning of EG is equal to GD? EG, where it is? EG is this point, GD is this point. EG and GD both are same once again. Similarly, FH is equal to HD. FH, this particular line, HD, this particular line, they both are absolutely same. Your question is, what is the ratio of areas of triangle EFD? Triangle EFD, this particular triangle, and ABC, this particular triangle. This particular triangle and the bigger outer triangle ABC is what they are asking you to find the ratio. Now see here, everyone listen to this carefully. What is that they have given in the question? They have given that 3 different sides are equal. That means 3 sides BE, EA are equal. BF, FC is also given as equal. Just 1 minute, sir. Now please see the next question. Your question is, in the given figure, BE is equal to EA. BE and EA both are same. Diagram is not showing that they both are same, but assume that E is the midpoint of AB. Diagram is not drawn to the scale. Kindly coordinate with it, sir. BF is equal to FC. BF is equal to FC. These both are same. That means F is the midpoint of BC. EG is equal to GD. EG is equal to GD. These both are absolutely same. FH is equal to HD. FH, this particular line is equal to HD, this particular line. This is what is given in the question till now. Your question is, find the ratio of areas of triangle EFD. EFD, this triangle which is a slant, to the area of triangle ABC, outer triangle ABC. I want to find the ratio of EFD triangle to ABC triangle. Ratio is what I am interested in finding. Now see here, sir. First of all, what we know is any triangle the simplest thing to do is draw a perpendicular. That is something which we know it. Suppose for example I want to draw a perpendicular for triangle ABC. This is the perpendicular which I am drawing from point B to AC. This is perpendicular. This perpendicular I will call it as 2h. That means this particular h value which is there here, I will call it as this is small h and this also is small h. That means I can take totally as entire BH length is h plus h 2h. Similarly, for this particular triangle, if I draw another perpendicular, this is again 90 degrees. So this from here to here it is h. That means this is h. This also will be h. How both will be h? Because if I take this as h and this line both are same, or in other words, G is the midpoint of ED. Because G is the midpoint of ED, whatever length I am calling from here to here as h, the continuation part also till the point D will also be h itself. That means that point is also h only. Similarly here also from B to here, if this is h, this also from here to this point h, that also will be small letter h only height. I hope you are clear with the idea. Now what is the question? Question is area of triangle EFD and area of triangle ABC. I want to find the ratio, right? I want to find the ratio. Now what is the area of triangle EFD? Area of triangle EFD is half into EFD. Base is nothing but EF, because from there only you have drawn the perpendicular. Base is EF. Height is nothing but h plus h, which is 2h. Similarly, area of triangle ABC is half into base is nothing but BC, right? Base is nothing but BC, or I will not take BC here as the base because perpendicular is drawn onto AC. So AC will act as base. It is AC into height is nothing but again from here to here h, from again here to there it is h. So totally it is 2h. 2h will cancel with 2h, half will cancel with half. So I can say that area is EF divided by AC. But think little logically, sir. What is this EF? EF is nothing but from here to here, right? This is nothing but EF. This EF, can I say that EF, because E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of BC, EF is nothing but it is half of AC. From A to C, whatever the length is there, EF is exactly the half of that AC, because E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of BC. So EF is half of AC divided by AC. So it is 1 by 2. The ratio of triangle EFD divided by ABC ratio triangle is nothing but 1:2, which is nothing but my option A. Next question. Your question says, in the given figure, AB is equal to BC. Let me draw the diagram once again. This is the triangle which is given like this, right? It is the triangle which is given like this, and there is a line called as AB here, right? There is a line called as AB. In the given figure, AB is equal to BC. These two lines are equal. That is the first statement. BAC angle is 15 degrees. BAC, it is nothing but 15 degrees. This is the second statement. AB is equal to 10 centimeter. AB is given in the question as 10 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. This triangle area is what I require. Let me name this point as point D, and it should also be given in the question as also angle D is 90 degrees. It should be given in the question itself, or in diagram it should have been specified, which is missing here. Please note that extra point also. Angle D is given in this question as 90 degrees. Now think logically, sir. I want to find the area of triangle ABC. This particular triangle area is what I need to find. First of all, can I say that AB value is 10 and AB is equal to BC? That means BC value is also 10. Can I also say like this, that this ABC triangle is an isosceles triangle? Area of an isosceles triangle, we can use it. That is one of the ways of solving. But if AB is 10, opposite to angle A is 50, opposite to angle A, opposite to 15 degrees, this is 10. So opposite to side 10, this also should be 15 degrees. That means angle C is also 15 degrees. That is what we can understand. Angle D is 90. This is 15. This is 15. Can I say that this is 15, this is 15? Total 3 angles sum in a triangle should be 180. Out of 180, 15 plus 15, 30 is over. Remaining this is 150. But straight line angle is 180 again. If this is 150, this should be remaining 30. This is 90. This is 30. This should be remaining 60 degrees. That means this is where I can fill easily all the values which were missing initially in that triangle. Now, what is the question? Area of triangle ABC is what they are asking you people. Very, very easy, sir. This triangle ABD, if I take triangle ABD, it is 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. I taught you this kind of properties in heights and distances also, if you remember. Opposite to 30 degrees, if the value is 1, then opposite to 60 will be root 3. Opposite to 90 will be 2 in that case. Opposite to 30, if it is 1 unit, opposite to 60 will be root 3 unit. Opposite to 90 will be 2 units. This is what I taught you in heights and distances. We have solved beautiful ways of solving. We have learnt beautiful ways of solving some extraordinary questions in heights and distances already. Now, opposite to 90 according to the ratio is 2. But the question says it is not 2. Opposite to 90 is 10 units. So, 2 into 5 is 10. 1 also multiply by 5. 1 into 5 is 5 unit. That means opposite to 30 degrees, this AD value, it should be 5 unit. I hope the idea is clear. Sir, first of all, why are you finding AD value? See here, sir, this triangle, shaded triangle is only the area what I need to find. Area of triangle ABC is half into base. Base is nothing but BC. Base is BC. Height. What is the height for this ABC triangle? Height is nothing but AD. That is what we just now found it. To get that AD value, we did all these things. So it is half into base is 10, height is 5. 50 divided by 2. Answer for this question is 25 centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC is 25 centimeter square. I hope the idea is very, very clear for you people. Next question. Please see this next question, sir. Again, it's a very, very beautiful question. A lot of understanding is required to solve this question. First, let us understand it. ABC is a triangle with area 30 centimeter square. Okay, this bigger triangle. Okay, let me draw the triangle for you people because it is already there anyway on the right side of the screen. Let me draw it little bigger so that we will understand it better. There is a triangle ABC. Area of this bigger triangle is given as 30 square centimeter. Beautiful. Next, if D is the midpoint of BC, okay, there is a point called as D on BC, and that D is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of AD. There is a point called as AD. There is a line called as AD. I need to join that line as of now. This is the line AD. There is a point E which is exactly in the middle of AD. That means AE and ED both will be same. BE when produced meets AC at F. BE, I will join BE first of all. This BE, when I produce it, when I extend it, it will join. It will meet this line AC and it will meet line AC at point F. That is what is given. Find the area of triangle AEF. This particular area is what I am interested in finding. That is what is exactly there on the right side of the screen also. That is what I have done right now also. Now see here, sir. There are few things which we will add or which we will construct here so that we will solve our problems easily. Now, can I say that? Let me draw a line. Now, if you observe carefully, this line is BE. That BE is produced or extended forward to make that line as BF, right? BF is a line. For that line BF, I will draw a line which is exactly parallel to BF and I will call it as a DG. That means I will make a line or I will construct a line which is exactly parallel to BF and I will call that line as DG. That means DG is parallel to BF, right? DG is parallel to BF. This is our understanding. Now, what I will do is, why did I join that? Why did I construct all those things? We will understand one by one. Now, if you see here, there is a triangle which is formed. Because of this extra point G which I drawn right now, there is a triangle. That triangle is triangle ADG, right? It is triangle ADG. Now, if I take that triangle, in triangle ADG, there is a line called as DG. This DG is parallel to which line? It is parallel to this EF because EF is an extension of BE. Because EF is an extension of BE, the DG will also be parallel to EF. That means in triangle ADG, that DG line or EF line will be parallel to that line DG, which is the constructed line. I hope you are understanding. And you also know, which is given in the question, that this E is the midpoint of AD, right? E is the midpoint of AD, right? It is given in the question. Because E is the midpoint of AD, I can also say from this that E is the midpoint of AD and DG is parallel to EF. So I can also say that F is the midpoint of AG because DG and EF are parallel and E is the midpoint of this line AD. Therefore, I can conclude that the point F is the midpoint of AG. So, very important point. F is the midpoint of line AG. I hope you are able to understand all these things. Let me call this as equation 1. We will see that after some time. Now, can I also use the reverse of it from the converse? I believe that you know the basic proportionality theorem, basics of geometry, basic proportionality theorem. From that, I can also say that there is another triangle right now. Which is the triangle? That triangle is nothing but triangle C and triangle CBF. I will take this triangle CBF. You will understand why am I choosing all these triangles in some time. In triangle CBF, I can again say that in this triangle CBF, this DG is parallel to BF, right? I hope you are understanding. DG is parallel to BF. DG is a line which I constructed. BE is the line which is given in the question. When that line is extended, it became BF. Now, DG is the line parallel to BF, and I can also say that this D is nothing but midpoint of BC. I hope you are understanding. D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC, right? D is the midpoint of BC. Now DG, this line DG is parallel to BF, and also D is the midpoint of BC. Because D is the midpoint of BC and DG is parallel to BF, I can also say that this particular point G is the midpoint of FC. I hope you are understanding. I hope you are understanding very clearly. G is the midpoint of FC. This I will call it as my equation 2. I hope I am making sense for you people, and you people are understanding very, very clearly, sir. G is the midpoint of FC. Now there are two equations. I will combine both the equations from equation 1 and equation 2. What is equation 1? Equation 1 says that this is my equation 1. F is the midpoint of AG. This is my equation 1. F is the midpoint of AG. That means AF will be equal to FG. That is the meaning of it. AF will be equal to FG. This is what I understood from equation 1. Second equation says G is the midpoint of FC. G is the midpoint of FC. That means FG will be equal to GC. That means FG will be equal to GC, right? FG will be equal to GC, or in other language, AF, FG, GC all are absolutely equal, or in simple language, you take any one of them, AF will be equal to, it is out of three parts, first part, second part, third part. Out of total three parts which will combine together as AC, AF is one part out of it. That means AF can be written as 1/3 of AC. I hope you are understanding once again. AF is nothing but 1/3 of AC, and I can also say that AE will be equal to ED. Sir, please show the diagram, sir. AE will be equal to ED because E is the midpoint which is given in the question itself. So entire AD, whatever the length is there, AE will be exactly half of AD. That means from this I can write AE is half of AD. I am putting a box for all these important points so that I will use them in the next few minutes of my particular explanation. This is a very beautiful question, sir. That is the reason I am taking so much of time to complete this question. Still my question is not completed. What is that we need to find? First of all, what is given in the question? Given part is area of triangle ABC. It is given in the question as 30 square centimeters. Now what is that it is given once again? E is the midpoint of AD and D is the midpoint of BC. That means this line AD, whatever I have drawn, then it is nothing but a median, right? That is nothing but acting as a median. Now that means AD is nothing but the median. What is the role of a median? What is the property of a median? Median will divide. Median divides the triangle. Median divides the triangle, bigger triangle, into two equal parts. I hope you are understanding. Median divides the bigger triangle into two equal parts. That means because of this median AD, the entire triangle ABC, which was having area 30, which is given in the question. Now ABD became 15 and ADC also became 15. It is equally divided into two parts. That means area of triangle ADC, this became 15 square centimeters as of now, because half of 30 is nothing but 15 itself. Now what is the question, sir? Area of triangle AEF. The smaller triangle area is what I require. Now first of all, let me use a different color for your better understanding. Let me take triangle EAF is what I require. I will call this angle A, angle EAF. Let me call it as theta. Let me call angle EAF as theta. If angle EAF is theta, what will it become? Let us check it out right now. Area of that triangle EAF, which is required for us, area of triangle EAF divided by area of triangle ADC. Why are we taking ADC? Because we know the value of ADC as 15. Can I say that area of triangle is half into, if I take this angle as theta, opposite of the theta side is EF. Forget about that side. Take the product of the other two sides. Other two sides is AE and AF. I hope you are understanding. It is half into AE into AF into sine of that angle theta divided by ADC. Why did I take ADC? Because ADC area is known first of all, and ADC also angle A will come. Opposite to theta is DC. Forget about that DC. Take the product of other two. It is AD and AC. That means area of triangle ADC can also be written as half into, it is AD into other side is AC and into sin theta. Sin theta cancels with sin theta, half will cancel with half. The remaining parameters are AE by AD, AF by AC. Product I need to find, but beautifully we have structured already saying that AE is nothing but half of AD. So this is half AD divided by AD multiplied with AF is nothing but 1/3 of AC. 1/3 of AC divided by AC. AD cancels with AD, AC cancels with AC. Half into 1/3. It is 1/6. But this is nothing but area of triangle EAF divided by area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ADC. It is known that it is 15. Substitute. This is nothing but 3 into 2. This is 3 into 5. This 5 will go to the right hand side. Final answer becomes area of triangle EAF is 5/2. 5 on the left hand side in the denominator comes to the numerator right hand side. It is 5/2, or your final answer for this question is 2.5 square centimeters. I hope you are understanding the beauty of solving by this method, sir. First of all, why did I take this part as equation 1? Why equation 2? All these things I am damn sure that you understood in this last step, because I need to find the relationship between AE and AD. That is what I found out from two equations. I also need to find the relationship between AF and AC. That is what I found out from two equations once again. That is the reason initially itself I found out two equations. I found out what all I require initially itself, so that in my ending stages it should not be a difficulty. And finally I will end up getting the answer in the most easiest way possible. I hope this question is very, very clear for you people, sir. Please see the next question. Again, this is a very, very beautiful question. If you observe, SSC CGL 2017 Tier 2. I think it is 2017 or 18. There is a mistake here. Either it should be 17 or it should be 18. Whatever it is. Okay. Anyway, it's a very recent question. Let us not worry too much about it. Let us solve the question, sir. In the given figure, PQRS is a square of side 8 centimeters. That means all the sides, all the angles are 90 degrees totally. Angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S, everything is 90. Square means it is all sides are equal. Every side is 8, 8, 8 and 8. Now that is point number 1. Point number 2 is PQO is 60. Give me a minute, sir. Let me come out of this sound. Now let us solve this question, sir. See here.